Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm down in our Hampshire garden. In this very short video, this is just a quick update on what we did with our circles on the front and the side border, just the initial planting from the beginning of May. So, as always, enjoy. So we're at the beginning of May in our Hampshire garden and we've planted up the circles. So we've got Crocosmia in the middle, Dahlias around the edge, and then around the outer edge we've got spider plants, and the same in this one. Crocosmia, Dahlias, and then spider plants around the edge. And just while we're in the garden, just have a quick look at the little flowers down here. So the aqualegia is looking lovely. That's what we did not last year, the year before. All looking very nice and ready for summer. Just take you around to the side border. So the side border, we've just put dahlias in for the time being. So the dahlia tubers are in. Wait for them to start, and then any gaps we'll fill in with some annuals. Yeah, getting summer plant ready.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.